Good day. My name is Agunda Olufisayo Ife. I'm here to present the Green Mavro Global Ideology video, how it works, rules and benefits. The modern world is bad. The present world is not encouraging. The world where money is given priority instead of people. The world where bankers are living largely and people are suffering. The world where common man on the streets cannot afford the 3 meals per day. But now, the Green Mavro Global has come to eradicate this unfair financial system. What is Green Mavro Global? The Green Mavro Global is a community of people selflessly helping each other financially. The GMG was created by the former MMM participants, and the GMG is created on the principle of Saji Mavrodi. Then, how GMG works? GMG is not a bank, and there is no common storage box for GMG. GMG is not an investment. GMG is not a business, and even is not an online business. But Green Mavro is a community where people help each other. The GMG works on the principle of a participant need help and another participant provide such help. Now, in GMG, there is no bank account, there is no, the participants transfer money directly to one another. The only thing that GMG do is to regulate and to monitor the operation of participants. So in this case, the participants help each other directly. That is why the GMG is referred to as peer-to-peer system. We have different types of Mavro in Green Mavro Global. We have the one which is called standard 30% contribution. In this case, if you PH a particular amount, you get 30% of this contribution with your plus your principal amount donated in 30 days. So after 30 days, you can GH your principal amount donated in the first instance plus the 30% of that principal. We have another one which is called 50% contribution, and this one is crypto. This one you PH in cryptocurrency, and you'll be able to GH the 50% of the amount PH of your provide help in cryptocurrency after 30 days. We also have another one which is called the standard 3-month 40% contribution. In this case, you PH and you will not make withdrawal, you will not GH for 3 months, and the growth rate is 40%. For example, if you PH $100 or $1,000, you PH that money for 3 months. And I want to tell you that every month, your Mavro will be credited 40% of your principal amount donated. So, for example, if you donate $1,000 for 3 months, under 3 months, 40% contribution, then the 40% will be added to your principal amount in the first month, which is $400. In the second month, you get another 40%, which will be added to your principal amount again, which is another $400. And the third month, you get another $400. Everything after 3 months, you can now GH your principal amount, which is $1,000. Then you now GH another 40% for the first month, 40% for the second month, and 40% for the third month. Everything will now be 2,200 USD. But it is possible to now withdraw earlier than 3 months. But in this case, the total amount will be recalculated at the rate of 30% per month. Now we also have bonus withdrawal. It is after you have PH in the first month, after 30 days, the growth rate is 30% per month. Then you now PH in order to withdraw your PH that you have made in the first instance. Then we also have another one, which is recommitment 30% contribution. The recommitment is one of the preventive measures that will make, or that is assisting GMG to stand out. Before you GH, after that, in the 30 days or some days to your 30 days, before you can GH, it is very important to now recommit your PH again. And I want to tell you that 10% of this recommitment will be matched within 12 hours. You make the donation so that we'll be able to GH your first PH, the help you have provided earlier. We also have another, which is crypto recommitment, 50% contribution. I mentioned this earlier on, that you can also PH of 50% contribution. If you PH for 50% contribution in 30 days, you GH your principal amount with the 50% of your PH. But in this case, some days to GH your first PH, then it is important to recommit yourself. You recommit again, and in order to withdraw this 50% contribution that you have made earlier. And I want to tell you that within 24 hours, the 10% of this recommitment will be matched. You pay or you make donation, and I want to tell you that you'll be able to GH your crypto 50% contribution that you have made earlier. We have what we called guidance or registration bonus in GMG. In GMG, if you register for the first time, you get bonus ranging from 20 USD to 100 USD, depending on the amount you donated. If you donate between the range of 50 to 499 USD, you get 20 USD as the registration bonus. If you also PH or you donate between the range of 500 to 2,100 USD, you get $50 as a registration bonus. And lastly, under the registration bonus, you can also get 100 USD if you PH from the range of 3,000 USD and above. We have what we call guiders of Green Mavro community. The guiders are the manager. They oversee the activities of the participants in Green Mavro Global. And being a guider, we have bonus for a guider for guider structure. If a first level guider, you get 2.5% of the amount donated by your downlines. Then we have second level guiders. The second level guider gets 3.5% of the amount donated by their downlines. We also have another one, which is third level guider, which also gets 2% of the amount donated by their downlines. And lastly, we have fourth and fifth level guiders. They get 1% of the contribution of their downlines. Now, another advantage about GMG is that this community is currently collecting data which will be used to recalculate the old Mavros and pay this Mavro based on the new money rule laid down by Sergi Mavro D. And the Green Mavro has also modified the new money rule, and it is computed as the highest PH minus highest GH, then multiply plus the highest GH minus the highest PH minus highest GH, then plus new pH, then everything multiplied by 10%. This is the money rule which will be used to calculate and pay the old Mavro. Now, if a participant GH, it is very important to share, to write letter of happiness. You show your testimony, what GMG has done for you, and you also get bonus for sharing this testimony, ranging from 10%, 5%, 1%, depending on how you share the testimony. If you show your face or the quality of the video, gets 10%, 5%, but if it is only voice testimony, then you get 1%. Now, with this ideology of GMG is now changing the world for better. GMG is taking people out of poverty. GMG is fighting unfair financial system. I want to enjoy people to join hands and let's actualize the idea of Saji Mavrudi. Let's fight this unfair financial system together, and I believe as we do so, together we can achieve great things. Together we can change the world for better. Long live Green Mavro Global. Long live Saji Mavrudi. Once again, my name is Agunda Olufisayo Ife. Thank you.